Once upon a time, every great adventure began with a story. A forgotten kingdom, a hero called upon by fate. But how do you bring those moments to life? With this narration system, you can transform your world's history, legends, and discoveries into immersive visual storytelling.
Want to build cinematic narrations like this? Just add one component to your player controller and trigger narrations with a single blueprint node. Easily manage slides in a data table, add voiceovers, sound effects, and tweak layer position, scale, and fade animations. Zero coding required. It features a smart skip system to advance slides on press or hold to skip the entire narration. There are automatically updating UI icons for keyboard, mouse, and gamepad. And 6 ready-to-use visual themes that can be customized furthermore. All of this and more can easily be configured in a central data asset. It's production ready, featuring soft reference memory loading and disabled word rendering during narrations for maximum performance, and works for different resolutions and DPIs. Check out the beginner-friendly documentation and join the Discord community for reliable support.
Combine breathtaking artwork with atmospheric narration and sound to create moments beyond gameplay. Every world has a story waiting to be told. Now give your players a reason to listen.